Welcome to day 5 of 365-day challenge. Want to speak English fluently? Then you need more words. Today, we're learning 15 powerful words that you can use in daily conversations. Learn the words, make your own sentences, speak them out loud to improve pronunciation. Vocabulary is equal to confidence. The more words you know, the easier it is to express yourself. Let's expand your English skills together. Watch till the end and start using these words today. Here are 15 essential words that you can use in your daily conversations. Learn their meanings and use them in sentences, flexible, able to change or adapt easily. Example, my work schedule is flexible, so I can study English in my free time. Priority, something important that needs attention first. Example, improving my English is my top priority this year. Opportunity, a chance to do something. Example, speaking with native speakers is a great opportunity to improve my English. Confidence, the feeling of being sure about yourself. Example, daily practice helps me gain confidence in speaking English. Encourage, to support or motivate someone. Example, my teacher encourages me to speak English without fear. Improve, to make something better. Example, reading books can improve your vocabulary. Challenge, a difficult task that tests your ability. Example, learning English fluently is a challenge, but I will not give up. Habit, a routine or behavior that you do regularly. Example, speaking English every day should become a habit. Achieve, to successfully reach a goal. Example, with consistent practice, I will achieve fluency in English. Express, to share thoughts, ideas, or feelings. Example, I want to express myself clearly in English. Adapt, to adjust to new conditions. Example, moving to a new country made me adapt to a different culture. Commitment, a promise or strong dedication. Example, I made a commitment to learn English every day. Patience, the ability to stay calm while waiting. Example, learning a language takes patience and practice. Effective, producing the desired result. Example, watching English movies is an effective way to improve listening skills. Fluent, able to speak a language smoothly and naturally. Example, my goal is to become fluent in English within a year. Your task. Pick 5 words from this list and make your own sentences in the comments. Repeat them out loud to improve pronunciation. Vocabulary is power. The more words you know, the better you communicate. Keep learning and see you tomorrow for day 6. Don't stop here. This is just day 5 of our 365-day English challenge. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Join us every day and watch your English skills skyrocket. Remember, small steps lead to big success. Mistakes are proof that you're learning. 1 year from now, you look back and be proud of how far you have come. Keep going. Keep growing.